So, hey, what's up, Ryder? So, what happened to Facebook? All of us now are being lagged out. Nawala tayo sa connection, nawala tayong communication through Messenger. And Facebook Messenger is one of the best communication. But now, it's down. So, sa tingin ko, ito yung isang magiging reason for the market crash. So, it will have market crash for 2024. And prepare for sa mangyayari, mga susunod na mangyayari, dahil hindi biro yung ganitong pangyayari. Malamang may mga susunod pa yan. Kung pagkatapos na ito ni Facebook and Instagram, maybe other way of communication, and pwede rin si YouTube and TikTok and yung iba pa. So let's see what will happen next.